Hi guys, welcome back to our Dubai mini-series. We're putting together a little guide on all the main attractions in Dubai. Next one up is on the top, excuse the pun, of everyone's list. It's the beautiful Burj Khalifa. So we're going to take you through everything you need to know, from how to get there, what to expect during a trip, and how much it will cost. But before we forget, standard plea, feel free to like what we do. If indeed you do like what we do, leave a comment with any questions, and don't leave without hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any future updates. Okay, let's get into it. Let's have a look at some of the stats so you can appreciate how enormous this thing is. At 828 metres, that's the same height as 460 SUVs. The concrete within the tower alone weighs the same as 100,000 elephants, and it has 24,000 windows, which take 4 months to clean. The elevator is the quickest elevator in the world, going 10 metres a second and reaching the observation deck in just over a minute. The water system provides almost 1 million litres of water a day through 100 kilometres of pipes. Amazingly, the whole thing only took 6 years to build. It opened in 2009 and till this day still remains the tallest building in the world. You can't really miss the Burj Khalifa, so wherever you are in the city you'll at least be able to see it. It is centrally located and it's essentially attached to the Dubai Mall, which itself is attached to the Dubai Metro, which itself is conveniently called the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall Metro stop. We're going to talk about costs in a minute, but when you first get there it's likely to be quite manic. As you can imagine, the Burj Khalifa is one of the biggest tourist attractions in the world, let alone Dubai, so it can get quite busy. Your first job when you get there, though, is to get in the right queue. There's a prepaid queue to pick up your prepaid tickets, or there's a queue to get tickets on the day. So then it's time to queue. Now, the lifts, as we've already said, are quite quick going up and down, but depending on the time of day you go, if it's busy, there's going to be capacity issues. So it's likely that you're going to queue for perhaps an hour getting up there and an hour coming back down again. You can buy fast track tickets, which, as the name suggests, fast tracks you past the queues. They obviously cost more. If you're lucky, as we were, the folk at the Burj Khalifa took pity on us for having young children, gave us fast track for free, which was very much appreciated. The views from the top are breathtaking, and it's incredible to see a city from that perspective, and well worth the time and expense to get up there. We went for a sunset ticket, which again was worth the extra money, as it's equally impressive to see a city during daylight and nighttime, so you feel you're getting two experiences in one. You can spend as much time at the top as you like. There's 2 outside observation decks, 1 at each side. There's also an inside 360 walk around. You'll have various interactive displays. There's a little shop. There's a little cafe as well that serves hot drinks and snacks. There isn't anywhere to sit though, so do be warned if you do want to take a seat or take a nap, it's hard floor. You can literally sleep anywhere. General admission costs will vary depending on time of day you visit, with the cheapest tickets costing 149 dirham and sunset visits up to 224 dirham. Ages 4 to 12 will roughly get a 20% discount, and under 4s are free. We recommend buying in advance at thetop.ae, and you'll see a menu of options including the cost for fast track and adding a 3-course lunch or dinner at the restaurants located at the top too. We can't do a video on the Burj Khalifa without mentioning their famous fountains. It's probably the best free attraction in the city, and every evening from about 6 onwards, every half an hour, they come to life and start dancing to various different tracks, last for a couple of minutes. You'll hear Celine, bit of classical, and that incredibly annoying Baby Shark song that seems to be a particular crowd pleaser. There are various cafes and restaurants surrounding the fountains, so of an evening, it's a great place to spend a couple of hours. So that's what to expect from a trip up the Burj Khalifa. As you can probably tell, we're a family obsessed with travel. We've got career coming up in a few months, so we're going to be posting lots of new content to this channel and hopefully giving you guys inspiration to book your next getaway. As we said at the very start, if you do like what we've done, feel free to hit that like button, and you of course know where that subscribe button is so you don't lose us.